Hello friends and good noon all my dear students and respected parents and dear aspirants. Today this is Amit Dahiya. We are going to learn the arithmetic progression chapter 5 exercise 5.3 question number 9 to 20. In this slides we are do how to apply the sum of first and terms on the questions, how to use nth term of an AP to find the sum of n terms. So in these questions, let we do the first question. The question first is, if the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 term is 289, find the sum of first n terms. That is so simple. In this statement, what is given here, you have to find out first what is given here. The given point here is, we can say that what is given here, given is s7 is equal to 49 and s17 is equal to 289. Are you able to do this? So let's see how we are going to do. Can you write s7 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a plus n is 76d? Got it or not? This s17 can be written as 17 by 2 into 2a plus 16d. Got it or not? And then 7 is cancel out with 17, 49, that's 7, and then 2 is multiplied with 7, that 14, and 17 is cancel out with 2, 89, then 17, and 2 is multiplied with this. So what you got? You got 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d, or you can take 2 as a common, then 7 is here, 1 is here, and 3 is here. So 7 is equal to a plus 3d. This is equation number 1, and the second equation is 17 to the 34 is equal to 2a plus 16d, and this 2 is also cancel out here, 2 and then 17 and then 8. Got it or not? So 17 is equal to a plus 8d. This is equation number 2. There are two equations, a plus 3d is equal to 7, a plus 8d is equal to 17. Subtract these two equations. So minus 7 minus 17 minus 10 is here, is equal to a is cancel out with a is cancel out with a, and 3d minus 8d is equal to minus 5d. Minus is cancel out with minus, 5 is cancel out with 2, 10, then d is equal to 2. If d is there, then I think you can find sum of n terms. You can apply d in any of the equation 1 or any equation number 2. For example, if d is equal to 2, if d is equal to 2, are you able to put in the equation number 1? So equation number 1, 7 is equal to a plus 2, 3 into 2, that equals to 6, and you transpose from this side, 7 minus 6 is equal to a, and a is equal to 1. So a is 1, d is equal to 2. Find the Sn. Are you able to find the Sn? Yes. So the next question, that similar questions are there, and that similar questions are what? Find the sum of first 40 positive integer divisible by 6. So first 40 integers, what are those integers? and it is the positive integer. Positive integers means all natural numbers, and the first division number is 6, second is 12, third is 18, and so on up to 40. It means last term is 240. Are you getting or not? Yes or no? Though a is the first term and this is the last term, and n is equal to 40. Are you able to find out the s of 40? Then d, a is here, n by 2, 40 by 2 into a is 6 plus last term is 246. Then solve this, you will able to find out the sum of first 40 integer which are divisible by 6. Second question here, we can say that find the sum of first 15 multiples of 8. 15 multiple of 8, it means 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja, and then 8 15 ja. So 8 8 2 ja 16, and 8 3 ja 24, 24 up to 15 8 ja 120. So a is here 8, d is also 8, l is 120, sorry. Okay or not? So are you able to find s15? So 15 by 2 into a is 8 plus last term is 120. So add this and solve this. Got it or not? Yeah, I think so you got it. The next time is find the sum of the odd numbers between 0 to 50. So odd numbers 0 to 50 are 1, 3, 5, 7 up to 49. First find n, how many odd numbers are there. Then a is with you 1, a d is with you 2, n, if you are able to find n, how you got find the n? Take 49 as the nth term. Take 49, 49 is equal to a 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So transpose this 48, 48 divided by 24, 24 plus 1, n is equal to 25. Are you getting or not? So in 25 you can find out the sum of these two terms. Next very important question for this is we can say that a sum of it means rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes. 7 बच्चों में 700 को यूज़ करना है, कैश प्राइज के रूप में उन्हें प्राइजेज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने हैं. इफ़ द प्राइज इज़ ₹20 लेस देन इट्स प्रीसीडिंग प्राइज. कहने का मतलब अगर मैंने एक फर्स्ट बच्चे को ₹A दिया है, फर्स्ट बच्चे को ₹A दिया है, तो सेकंड बच्चे को मेरे ₹20 लेस मिलेंगे, A-20 मिलेगा. थर्ड को क्या मिलेगा? A-40 मिलेगा, एंड सोन चलता जाएगा. यस और नो? यस. सो Sn is what given? S7 students is there. S7 is equal to what? 700. Yes or no? And sum is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a. First term is a plus 7 minus 1, 6 into d is what? You have to search out d. D is, I think so, -20. You suggest me, comment me how. Suggest me how this -20 is there. So we can say that 700 is equal to 7 by 2 into 2a minus 6 into -120 minus 120. So 7 is cancelled out with 7 under this is 100, and 2 is taken out from this common. So 100 is equal to a minus 60. I transpose this. So a is equal to 160, and the second is subtract 20. So 140 subtract 20, 120 subtract 20, 100, and so on. Got it or not? Yes. We can go for the next question. A spiral is made of the successive semicircles. Very important question, and try to understand that there are two centers, the center A and the center B. So this is A and center B, and it is said that semicircle with center alternately A and B. पहले हमने सेंटर A को लेना, फिर सेंटर B को, फिर सेंटर A को, फिर सेंटर B को. नाउ सेंटर ए से रेडियाई हमने हाउ मच स्टार्ट की 0.5. सपोज दिस इज अ 0.5. दिस इज ए एंड एज्यूमिंग बी एज ए सेंटर. सो बी से रेडियस 0.5 दिस वन एंड दिस वन इज डायमीटर 1 एंड वी हैव टू सेलेक्ट 1. सो दिस इज द सेंटर. सो बी से हमने रेडियस अनदर स्टार्ट की लाइक दिस. So this point is B2. This is 1 centimeter here, and this is the another semicircles. So this length is L1 we reduce count, and this is L2. And for again, if we considering the centers this A, the length radius we can say that 0.5 and 1. So 1.5 for third circle, it is radius is 1.5, and from this A to from here the another circle is we are doing like this. So this is L3, and same from B center this is L4. And it is said that what is the length of such a spiral made up of 13 consecutive circles. It means there are 13s. This L1. So L1, a length of first semicircles. What do you mean by the length? Length means is circumference of the semicircle, and the circumference of the semicircles, what is that, is pi r1, and r1 is pi into 0.5. got it or not? L2 is equal to what? Pi into r2. R2 is what? Pi into 1, and up to so on. L3 is equal to pi into R3, that equals to pi into 1.5. So on we can go. So sum we have to find out. For sum n is equal to what? 13 is there. So as 13 we have to find out that s is equal to 13 by 2, and we can take pi as a common from all the terms, yes or no? So into pi, or you can write it a is the r1 is 0.5, 2 into a, 2 into 0.5. मैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में चलता हूँ, देखते हैं क्या होता है. नेक्स्ट हम इसी को रब करते हैं. सो S13 क्या होगा हमारे लिए, वो हमें चेक करना है. S13 should be make a table, then S13 how you can write the S13. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2. S13 is equal to 13 by 2, and pi we have taken as a common into 2a, 2 into 0.5 plus n minus 1, it means 12, and the difference is 0.5, or 0.5 can be written as 1 by 2. yes or no? 2 से this cancel out 6, and 2 को 0.5 से multiply किया, that 1, 6 plus 1 7. So S13 is equal to 13 by 2 into pi value is 22 by 7 into 7 by 2. 7 is cancel out with 7, then this is this 11. 7 by 2, no, this 2 is not there, only 7. So 7, 13. So S13 is equal to 11 multiplied by 13. So 13 multiply 11, that you will get 143. yes or no? Got it? So this is next question, and move further. 19th question is also very important question. Some 200 logs are stacked, मतलब कुछ लकड़ी के गट्ठे हैं या लकड़ी का टुकड़ा कह सकते हैं, हमने उसको अरेंज करना है. अरेंज हमने किस तरह से करना है, तो ये कहता है कि 20 लोग, सबसे नीचे वाली जो रो बनेगी उसमें 20 आएंगे, 20, उससे ऊपर जो लॉग बनेगी उसमें 19 आएंगे, उससे ऊपर जो बनेगी दैट उस 18 आएंगे, उससे ऊपर उसमें बनेगी उसमें 17 आएंगे, उससे ऊपर बनेगी उसमें 16 आएंगे। और ये कह रहा है कि इन हाउ मैनी रोज आर द 200 logs. So Sn is equal to what? 200. It means total number of logs are 200, but we don't know how many rows are there, so we counted that as n. So we know that Sn can be written as Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. A is the what? First term, that is 20 into 20, plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 1. Got it or not? So that can be written as 200 is equal to n by 2. So 40 plus माइनस 1 को माइनस करें तो माइनस n और माइनस माइनस प्लस 1. Got it or not? And this n we can say that 200 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus n, sorry, or plus 1. Got it or not? A is 20, so this is 40, this is 40, so this is 400. 2 is transpose this side is equal to 40, this 40 plus 1 41n minus n square. और हम ट्रांसपोज करें बोथ दिस n स्क्वायर साइड, तो मेरे पास है n स्क्वायर इज माइनस 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. And if you factorize it, then I think so there is n minus n square minus 25n minus 16n plus 400, and then n is equal to 25 and n is equal to 16 we got. So n 25 value is not possible. Why not possible? You give me the answer. So n 16, so number of rows is 16, so number of rows are there n 16. So find the number of logs in the 16th row. So how you can find out? Put an at term, an is 16, so a plus 15d. A is 20 plus, so a is 20, look, a is 20 plus n minus 1 16 minus 1 15 into d is minus 1. So what? 20 minus 15, that is 5. So how many logs are there in the 16th row? The next question, very important question, but very easy question is this, so try to understand this. So एक लड़की है, यहाँ पे एक बकेट रखी हुई है लड़की ने, और इसमें उसने पोटैटोज़ डालने हैं, और यहाँ से फर्स्ट पोटैटो की दूरी 5 मीटर है, 5 मीटर. नेक्स्ट कंसेक्यूटिव पोटैटो इज 3 मीटर, नेक्स्ट इज 3 मीटर एंड नेक्स्ट इज 3 मीटर. व्हाट शी डिड? यहाँ से चलती है, इस पॉइंट से यहाँ तक गई और फिर वापस आई. सो इन द फर्स्ट राउंड हाउ मच डिस्टेंस शी कवर्ड? 5 जाना 5 आना, सो टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 10. So first distance d1 we can say that 2 into 5. d2 what is d2? वापस यहाँ आई, पोटैटो डाला, फिर से वापस रन किया, देन क्या होगा? लेट्स सी, 5 ये और 3 ये, इट मीन्स 5 plus 3 8. One side distance is 8 and the double side is 16, so you can write 2 into 8. And third d3 is equal to what? 2 into 11 and so on. First read कि how many potatoes are there. A complete bucket and nearest pick up continuously. All the 10 potatoes are there. So Sn, what is the Sn? Sn is equal to also not sorry Sn n is equal to 10. Sn I had to find out. So for the first, let's do this. As we got it, are you understand or it or not understood? Let me know. So first term a is what? 10. 10. Second a2 is equal to 2 into 8 16. Third is a3 is equal to 2 into 11 22. The first term is 10, 6, 22 and n is equal to what? 10. So a is 10. What is d here? D is 6. Are you able to find Sn? S10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2a. 2a means 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. 10 minus 1 9 minus 9. 10 minus 1 it means 9 into me d is 6. So are you able to do this? This is 5. 5 into 20 plus 9 6 54 and 8 is 5 into 74. You get the answer. So 20 35 370 is the total distance. So this is answer. Thank you students, thank you for watching this, and please share it, subscribe it, comment it if you are not getting anything. Thanks a lot.